Yo, what's up guys? It's the Moto Guy, and today's video we're going to be doing a sponsorship unboxing from Flow Vision Company. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, bell notification, like, subscribe, so anytime I post a brand new video, you're instantly notified and are able to watch it right there. So getting into the video, we got the goggle case from Flow Vision Company. It's like a hard top, semi-hard case with a little carrying handle on the back. Opening it up has a bunch of room inside. You can hold up to five full-size goggles in here. I got the beanie right here, the Flow Vision Company logo on it. I also got a snapback, the purple one with the Flow Vision logo on there. They got two colors. They got a red and purple. I got the purple. I got two brand new pairs of goggles. Those are my old ones back there. I got the yellow with the retro band, and then the pinkish purple with the gray band in there as well. I like these goggles. I've been using them for about a year now. Super comfy. The foam on the goggles is really comfortable on your cheek and everything. Really wicks the sweat away. On all their rhythm goggles, it comes with the nose guard on there as well. So if your helmet doesn't have a built-in nose guard, you have a nose guard in there. And then also the polarized lens looks really cool on all of them. This one's like a purple polarized, and this one's like a blue and yellow polarized. And then don't remember what those two are because they got tariffs on them. But getting into the, I guess, storage side of it, you got a little mesh area to keep stuff in. I got the roll-off system that I can quickly change out with one of these lenses and put the roll-off system in there if there's a mud race. I also got a bunch of tear-offs because I go through tear-offs at the track every time. I at least go through five every time I go ride. So got a bunch of those. I got 3 extra rolls for the roll-off system in there, and then a bunch of stickers right there, Flow Vision stickers. And then this piece came with the roll-off system. Not too sure what it's supposed to go on. There's a little like 3M double-sided sticky right there. I think it's supposed to go on the visor, but this seems a little too small for like a little extra mud protection for the visor. So if y'all know what this is for, leave a comment down below. But this is everything. This is everything that I got from Flow Vision the other day. And yeah, so that does it for this video. Once again, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, subscribe, like, and comment. I already said subscribe. That way you get notified every time I post a brand new video and you're able to watch it right there. So with that being said, I will see y'all later.